I've hit the crossbar many times in my career.
And today I'm going to try and break the world record for the highest ever crossbar hit.
From this helicopter.
200 feet.
Higher, baby. 500. Whilst also trying to break the world record for the highest goal ever scored.
If you don't see me again,
No, you haven't.
you'll know why.
But I
We'll
prefer
post a
not.
video anyway. Look at this thing. It is humongous. This might be the biggest helicopter I've ever seen. I'm not complaining though. Big helicopter, more space.
If you jump in,
Feels solid. Everything seems good. Good to go. Give it a kick test. Yeah, good to go, lads. 4 small steps for man, 1 giant leap for crossbar kind. So this is the harness to stop me from falling out of the helicopter today.
if you need to get out of the aircraft, grab those two and pull.
If I need to get out of the aircraft, yeah, I suppose it's good to have something. Yeah,
You don't want to be trapped in here with this.
No, true.
And if you see me getting smaller, you're getting left behind. You need to catch up.
There's comfy to know. No, but I don't want to have the possibility of falling out of the helicopter. That's the whole point. I want it to stop me here. Still think maybe a little bit tighter.
In the event of us declaring an emergency, first thing we're going to do is make sure we're strapped in. Put a hand under here, over the top of the head. Don't move, don't unbuckle until it's all gone quiet. Worst thing to do is panic. We won't panic. Yeah, the escape from these is fairly high rate. We're good. You're all right.
Alright, so the time has come. We're about to send this bad boy up and start having some attempts. Wish me luck. If you don't see me again,
No, you haven't.
you'll know why.
But I
We'll
prefer
post a
not.
video anyway.
It's not what you think it's gonna be like, but nothing ever is in this life. It's a slow dance in paradise. When the world's on fire, look for my eyes.
Everything is always impossible until someone does it. Maybe it has never been done before. That's perfectly fine with me. But I'm gonna do it.
There are very few people who can deal with the pressure and stress that happens when we're there.
Never say never. Because limits, like fears, are often just an illusion.
Let's go! There's not that much wind in here. I'm pleasantly surprised.
CT ground. Thinking go.
You're high up. This will be interesting. This first attempt is just a test. To just see the trajectory of the ball and get a feel for weight, get a little gauge for what happens. Oh, I can see
Epic job, epic.
Come on, Jez. 3, 2, 1. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Oh, it's got it!
Bingo!
200 feet! 200 feet! So we scored the goal. Now we're going for the crossbar. Come on. Kick it. No, no. I've got the reins. We got this. We're gonna get this. We got it, boys. We got this. You got it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's awful. It might come back in though. That might come back in. No, it's going that way. Watch out, people down below. Sorry, guys. 3, 2, 1. Come back in. Come back in. Oh, come back in. Oh my God. 3, 2, 1. I like that. I like that. Oh, that's come back in. That's oh no. Are we still 500?
Yeah, we are, yeah.
Oh, lovely. Come on, Magnus effect. Kick in, kick in, kick in. Oh my word. Oh, it's done. How close was it? Close. So cool. That was within 15 feet. 2, 1. I like that. I like that. Oh, that's come. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is it? Oh! Oh no! I'm in the post. Oh! I'm in the post from 500 feet! No!
Guys, this is actually crazy. This might actually be the most epic thing that I've ever done with the football in my whole career. And those of you that have been following me for a long time will know that I've been doing this for years. I've done so many things. I've been so privileged and blessed and lucky to travel the world doing crazy things with the football. But I honestly think today is right up there, if not at the very top. We broke the world record for the highest crossbar hit. Oh, I can't believe it. We did it. Thank you so much to Paramount Plus for making this possible, sponsoring this video and this concept. Guys, I really hope you've enjoyed it. And most importantly, don't forget that you can stream the UEFA Champions League live and exclusive on Paramount Plus all season long.